Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Subaru Legacy. First, gather your essential tools, including a 14mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and an oil drain pan. You will also need a new oil filter and about 5½ quarts of the correct engine oil. Always work on a level surface and ensure the engine is cool to the touch for safety. Now let's drain the old oil. First, locate the oil drain plug, typically a 14mm bolt, on the bottom of your engine. Position your oil drain pan directly beneath it. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow all the old, dark oil to completely drain into the pan, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, we'll replace the filter and refill. Locate the old oil filter, usually near the front of the engine, and remove it with your filter wrench. Apply a thin film of new oil to the rubber gasket of your new filter before hand tightening it into place. Finally, pour approximately 5½ quarts of fresh, clean engine oil into the oil fill cap on top of the engine. For our final steps, let's perform some crucial checks. After running the engine for a minute, turn it off and check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary. Double-check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Remember to change your oil every 6 months or every 6,000 miles to keep your Subaru running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.